Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. Today is what is that? Speaking English for 5 minutes day. I think day 28 or 29. And this plan is different from every episode that I can do because this time I'm in now I'm in this in my school. Yeah, that is my school and that is my friend. Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Win.
No. What's your name?
My name is Win.
What's your name, bro? Ethan. Hey, what did you do that?
ตาย
ยอมได้ยินเสียงโอ้
เป็นเกม
What is that?
ใช่ยูทูบชิน
Kimo.
ฉันทำนิ้วได้นะ
Oh, okay.
เพื่ออะไรจะ
The topic that I want to talk today is in reality the next class that I will study is a biology and next class I'm gonna cut the fish and watching into the fish. Okay.
เจ๊ก็ว่ากัด
Yeah. That is a good word in English. Oh, bro, see this? That is my friends. She play games. Yeah, good. Okay, the topic that I want to talk the next. Oh, yeah. Yeah, today I have a test. I have a Thai language test, and for me it's very difficult. It's difficult. That is in Thai language is called Lila Kampan, and what is that? Matanapala. Oh, Pata. Oh shit. And okay. I think the physics is easier than Thai language for me. And okay, thank you, bro. ขโมยแล้วถูกเอ้ย see this I'm getting the what is that all people for my friends. Oh, he is good
เขา
friend.
สร้างความสับสนให้พวกเรา
Yeah, okay. I gonna eat them. I gonna eat this right now. There's people.
เฮ้ย
Yo.
ก็เป็นกูตื่นผ้าแหละ
ว่ะเสียดายว่ะกูน่าจะหยิบสีขาว
สีไหนกินไปก็ฟันผุเหมือนกัน
I think the best color of this ขนมภาษาอังกฤษเลย
แค่นี้
of this candy I think the white color is very best. Yeah, because it's very sweet and yeah, it's delicious for me. It's very delicious.
เด็กๆกินแล้วอย่าลืมแปรงฟันนะครับ
Yeah, the baby who eat this. Don't forget to brush the teeth. Okay. Yeah. Baby.
เฮ้ยปีโป้กินคู่ไปตามนู้นชอบ
Hey guys, what's your name? I'm gonna take video into the YouTube.
โอ้นามัสเตโอ้สลามอะลัยกุมกุมอิสลามคืออะไรวะ
Kum.
สลามอะลัยกุมมาซาลา
Yeah. แปลด้วย Translate please.
โอ้ผมนายซาลาสวัสดีครับ
Yeah. And you, what's your name?
What? Right.
What's your name, bro?
His name is
His name is Tipakor Nyamtungkun.
Okay. Bye. See you next video.